What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have some insane Hokk news. Now this could change everything. As you guys know, Hokk's been on the down low, so is SHIB. They've had their days, you know, where they've gone 30-40%, but most part they've been down. And I have some huge news that in 48 to 72 hours could change Hokk forever, and this could be probably the biggest spike we've ever seen. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I post daily crypto videos and I do it different than anybody else, as you can probably tell. Yeah, leave a like on this video as well and share it around with your friends. Spread the word. And also doing that will make you be entered into this $1,500 giveaway that I'm doing. Basically, everybody that subscribes, likes, follows my Instagram, and joins my Discord down below, which is discounted right now. Basically, if you struggle with finding coins and finding the next big plays, and you need just pretty much a mentor there to show you where to buy and what to do, and basically just mimic my portfolio, check the link down in the description. You can pay on the website, or you can DM me on Instagram, and you can pay with Ethereum or Bitcoin. Yeah, we've been going crazy. I've been calling out plays left and right. We've been doubling our money. It's been awesome. So go in there and let's get into this video. So like I said, huge Hokk news. Now, through the grapevine, I've heard a lot of credible sources talk about some upcoming stuff that's happening with Hokk that could very well change everything. Like, they're talking about we'll hit new all-time high, that will kill a zero, multiple zeros actually, and that will actually get listed on Binance. Now, who am I talking about? I'm talking about Pillow Girl and a couple other people on Twitter. Now, these people have their faces all over the place. They got their reputation on the line. They've been accurate about everything. This girl actually talked about Soldier Boy coming on the team, Lonzo Ball, multiple different people before they actually even were confirmed. She would say stuff like, oh, Hokk's gonna kill a zero tomorrow. It would kill a zero the next day. Like, she's been right about everything she said so far about Hokk. So she has history behind her name, and she's been pushing this fact that we are gonna hit another all-time high. We're gonna kill a zero, and we're gonna get listed on Binance. And like, she's been tweeting non-stop about it, to the point where her reputation is on the line. You know what I mean? Like, this girl is putting her stuff out there so much that, like, if she was wrong, nobody would believe her anymore, you know? So it's really important that you understand that when someone's backing something so much to the point where they're putting their reputation and their brand behind it, that's a risky move. And I doubt that she'd be doing that if she was bluffing, because it's not helping the price at all right now. Obviously everything's down, but if she is right and we do have a Binance listing, guys, we're gonna go crazier than when SHIB got listed on crypto.com. It's gonna be absolutely insane. So the title might seem clickbait, but it's really not. Like, we're about to have some crazy stuff if all of this becomes true, and I wanted to be the first to tell you guys about it. So just be on the lookout. If you see a major spike in Hokk this weekend, you heard it here first. Not many people follow her on Twitter, but she's awesome. You can follow her too. And yeah, I think we're gonna clear zero. I really do. I believe her. I believe everything that's been happening. She's been right about everything. I followed her for a while. So see what happens, guys. Like I said in the beginning of the video, subscribe to the channel if you love money and you love crypto. I post daily here. Let me know which videos you want to see next. Like I said, follow me on Instagram and check out my Discord chat down below. It's discounted right now, but it will go up in price drastically, like a lot, like a ton. I'm gonna up the price because I like keeping my chats small. So do that, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.